78, dew point 65, relative humidity 63%. The wind was southwest at 7. The pressure was 29.62 inches and falling. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Mayes County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cherokee State Park, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations in or near the path include Jay, Grove, Langley, Bernice, Ketchum, Stabenow, Disney, Big Cabin, Pensacola, Hoot Owl, Honey Creek State Park, Cherokee State Park, Bernice State Park, Stabenow State Park, Cleara, Cloeta, Strang, Disney Little Blue State Park, Xena. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 274 and 276. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. The severe thunderstorm